Hello and welcome once again to Speak Real English, the YouTube channel that helps you master American English naturally and confidently. I'm Cristiano Ronaldo, your American English coach and dedicated fluency guide. I truly believe fluency is possible for everyone, and that includes you. If you're committed, I'll walk with you every step of the way as you build your skills and become a confident English speaker. Let's dive into something that often confuses learners but can become second nature with the right approach. One of our viewers asked a great question about the word through. What does it really mean, and how can we use it properly in different situations? That's a powerful question, and today we're going to break it down in a way that makes sense. But before we jump in, I want to give you an exclusive opportunity to take a private one-on-one lesson with a certified native English teacher. It's absolutely free to try. This special trial lesson is available only for the Speak Real English audience. Just visit Mr. English Teacher YouTube channel /verbling and book your free session. It's a great way to practice everything you're learning here. Now, let's get back to the word through. One of the most common uses of through is to talk about finishing something. For example, you might say, I'm through with dinner, or I'm through packing for the trip. That simply means you've completed the task. You're done, you've wrapped it up. It's very conversational and used often in everyday English. Another popular use of through is when you describe looking at or across something. Imagine holding a book. If you just glance at the cover, you're looking at the book. But if you flip through each page, examining the content, you're looking through the book. You might look through an old photo album, browse through a newspaper, scroll through a website, or peer through a window. It adds a sense of movement and exploration. Through tells us that your eyes are passing from one part to another. Now let's talk about depth. Through is used in expressions that go beyond the surface. You might go through a tough experience or work through a complicated problem. In these cases, it reflects persistence and progress. For instance, she's going through a challenging time, or we're working through the issues. It's an incredibly expressive word with both literal and figurative meanings. And there's more. Through is also used in over 30 different phrasal verbs, such as go through, get through, break through, come through, read through, and see through. Each of these combinations creates a unique meaning. For example, get through might mean to survive a difficult experience or to complete a process successfully. See through can mean to recognize the truth about something, especially when someone is trying to hide it. Break through suggests a big achievement, like overcoming a barrier or discovering something new. The more phrasal verbs you know and use, the more flexible and fluent your English becomes. Learning these different uses of through can be challenging, but with consistent practice and real examples, you'll begin to notice these expressions naturally in conversations, books, and movies. And that's the key to fluency: real, practical exposure. That's why I created an exclusive premium course at Mr. English Teacher YouTube channel. Inside the course, I go deep into phrasal verbs, advanced vocabulary, and real conversation strategies. You'll learn how to use expressions like through in a natural and powerful way, with real-life examples and pronunciation guidance. And don't forget the free lesson offer. That's your chance to practice speaking and get expert feedback on your pronunciation, grammar, and sentence structure. It's like having your own personal coach guiding you on your journey to fluency. Go to Mr. English Teacher YouTube channel /verbling and reserve your free session today. Remember, when it comes to fluency, understanding how one small word like through works in different ways is a major step forward. It's about building patterns in your brain, making connections, and practicing until it becomes part of your natural speech. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen if you stay consistent. I'm here to help you every step of the way, whether you're watching these lessons on YouTube or practicing one-on-one with a teacher. So I'll say it like this: I'm officially through with this session. You now have the tools to explore the word through and start using it confidently in real conversations. Thank you for being here with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Speak Real English for more fluency lessons, tips, and strategies. Take that free lesson, check out the premium course, and keep practicing every day. I'll see you next time.